Hey YouTube, these two cards in front of me, Master Leo and Sarensaur, are for trade. They're not for sale, but only for trade. For Master Leo, it is going to be traded for Galleon. And if any of you have Galleon and you're willing to trade, you know who to come to. And on the other hand, Sarensaur, it's for trade with the strong card Master and Pupil. You know, I think if I'm not wrong, it's supposed to be Evo 1. So, and just a little for your information, why so many people think Master Leo is better than Death Scourge? It's because if you take a closer look and maybe thought, the attacks are all actually good. If you look at the T attack, you will notice it's actually Special Ops Leo's best attack. And Brave Fang is Leo's signature move. And this P attack, it's his new master attack, which can deal a lot of damage. So now you know why many people choose Master Leo.